Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. A couple of videos ago you saw that we ran out of fuel in the turbo Civic, so we're now looking to fix that. We'll run this down here. We're basically going to run the tank, the fuel cell, swirl pot. We've got a 400 litre an hour inline pump, whereas we did have a 320 in tank. We're running 2 facet lifters and like a couple of other bits. We're hoping to get it done by the end of the day and hoping to film it all. I've made a couple of mistakes already. The swirl pot I ended up ordering with only 2 ports in it, so we had to get Craig at the alley cat to weld the other port in, which you'll see now. Oh yeah. So fuel system wise, we're going to be running 2 facet lifters. They're the red top ones, which I think are like, I can't remember how much they're an hour, but we're going to be running those in AEM 400 litre an hour inline. Obviously the tank, swirl pot. We're also going to swap out Odyssey battery as well, and we've got the takeover terminals here, which we do have on our website, which basically just converts it to standard battery terminals. Yeah, so we're basically going to swap all that stuff over, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. We've got our good friend Philbo coming down in a minute, and yeah, hope it goes better than all the other things we do. Right, so test fitting everything, just to make sure everything fits. Fuel tank fits quite nicely. We're going to have to put spacers under the bottom on this side just to make it fit. The swirl pot's going to go over the other side where the battery is. We're going to move the battery, or put the Odyssey in and move it like hopefully near the passenger seat, under there somewhere, and kind of pull all the wiring back. Twin facet pumps, not really too sure we're going to put those yet for lifters. Yeah, the AEM pump will go on one of our brackets on the swirl pot. So we'll chuck it on there, put the bracket in, have the pump straight out of here. Yeah, wish us luck.
Here he is, in his natural habitat, working on a shitbox.
We have that out.
Look at the state of it.
Yeah, it's very rusty. I don't think it would have lasted many more years, if I'm honest. The bottom's a hell of a lot worse than the top.
Oh, look at that crust.
So luckily, Crusty Boy's gone forever. We have our new replacement Crusty Boy, who old Philbo is playing with currently.
Hello.
Hello. What's the plan, Philbo?
I'm going to cut a large hole in the floor and put this fuel tank in.
Very nice. We shall update.
That's pretty much it.
Sounds nice.
What did I say?
Don't get stroppy with me.
No, I'm getting stroppy, right?
You are getting
No,
stroppy.
yeah, I'm getting stroppy, because what did I say? I said, you were like, I'll give it a tap and then we'll film it. Look at it, it's fucking gone.
Well, I tapped it and it moved, so I carried on tapping. Look, look, are you filming now? Are you filming now? Look.
Yep.
Viking, are you happy now?
Yeah,
Look,
yeah.
look. Beating the death out of the Civic.
Hit it some more!
Can't, there's a hole.
Don't touch it.
There are, Trig, you love that. That's machine work right there.
Feel better now? You taking your anger out?
It's not anger, I haven't got the disc cutter out. You're happy, Viking? You feel
I'm very happy, yeah.
good.
Yeah, thank you very much.
good.
I can die in peace.
Stop filming. What's wrong with you, man? It's like some bad porno or something.
Oh, there's the nipples. Oh, yeah.
Go away.
You told me you didn't mind being filmed. Oh.
just like your engine running.
Yes, Roy Stern. Sounds just like your engine running.
Well, it does, doesn't it?
The people of YouTube don't need to know that.
They definitely do.
They say you've done that a few times before.
It's like playing with your nipples. There we go. Weld it in.
Yep. Weld it in.
Here we go.
So it's all going on. Matt's moving the battery. I'm taking the battery out. Ready to move it.
Yes.
And Philbo.
It's making the car lighter. Doing some rust inspection.
Right, that is our pump mounted. We've got dash 10 down the bottom, dash 6 out, dash 8 sorry. So we're going to run dash 8 line all the way to the rail and dash 6 return from the rail. Then we look around here, many holes drilled, some nice pumps, very nice.
More holes to be drilled.
More holes to be drilled, lots to be fitted. Right, let's go. Right, we're going to see how much this battery weighs compared to this brand new Odyssey going in. Big boy battery, 14.98. Let's zero that back. Odyssey, 6.5. Very nice. 9 kilo saving in those. Beautiful. So this is what it's going to look like, hopefully. At some point we'll paint inside. It's awful at the minute, but yeah, that's the plan. Run the swirl pot there, pumps, twin pumps out, twin lifters. All go nice and shiny into the swirl pot, hopefully. We'll see. We'll see how we get on.
So we've mounted the fuel tank.
Yep.
With a little bit of backward downhill so that we've always got rear feed to the fuel pumps. Fuel pumps are mounted, feeds and delivery. Swirl pots in. So next on the equation is joining everything up nice and neatly, and then we're going to run a lovely fuel line to the front and back again.
Yep.
And then we'll do some electrics.
Oh yeah, we're also going to cut that hench ass feed line down. Get that changed. Yeah, should be good. In our next instalment. Right, quick update. We're going to be now put the fittings on. We're going to start making the line up in a minute. Plan is to run these straight down here for the feeds up. These back through the swirl pot, which we're going to go in at 90 and 90. 8 and 8 feed down through. We've just got our first line together that I can't really show you from here because he's in the way. Getting there slowly.
There you go.
Yep, thank you. Beautiful.
Ooh, pretty.
Beautiful. Yep, all nice and pretty. So now on to the 25 others,
It's not that
and
bad,
then to
mate.
the next job. Beautiful.
Ah, Philbo, fancy seeing you here. What are we doing?
So I'm stringing out the fuel lines because Matthew's made a slight error in his judgment and possibly not got enough fuel on. So to ensure that I haven't wasted my day, I'm going to string it out and make sure that I can build the rest of his fuel system with what he's bought me. And if I can't make it work, then, well, then he's walking home basically.
So are you going to run the fuel line above the subframe?
Yeah, so I'm going to try and follow the standard fuel line running. I am cheating a little bit because there's not a lot of space up there, so I'm just going to run it down the side. But it's still going to give me a rough idea of whether Matthew's screwed up or not, basically.
Most likely. Isn't it, Matthew?
Can you pipe
Yes.
up over there, Sunshine? You're the one that ordered, or didn't order, should we say.
Hey, face.
I was trying not to swear on the video. Didn't realise we could swear.
No, you can't.
But basically, Matthew's a cunt.
Really?
Doesn't really bother me too much.
What's your favourite colour?
Yellow. Yellow.
So, All the AN lines in the back are done. And it's all getting there. What's the next step?
Right, come with me, follow me.
Oh, look at that! Look at that!
Right, the next step, I don't know if you can really see, the lighting's not great, but we're going to crack this off and run AN from this to the aeromotive fuel pressure regulator, and then AN6 all the way down under the car to the boot, and then we're changing this line out as well, and the filter for AN8.
So that's the fuel send and return.
Yeah, yeah. So we're going to go 8 in, 6 all the way back. Yeah, and then we should be able to get rid of all the rubber hoses. All the lines are now going to be PTFE as well. So if we were on race fuel, we're not going to perish through the lines or anything. Yeah, should be better.
And what's that noise? It's a floor fill bow.
Just put a drain hole in, that's fine.
I see a little fill bow finger.
Always put a grommet in when running fuel lines into a car. At T5.
Wise words from the man on the floor.
It's only because I see so many cars where people don't. I wonder if they're on a death wish or not.
Right, you can see hard line is now gone, all of it. So the plan is run our line all the way to the back, all the way to the front, sorry, it's already at the back, and make some nice fittings. Very nice. We've also, now we've removed the fuel tank, we do have enough line or enough room for all the all-wheel drive stuff. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. We'll get that stuff ordered soon. Beautiful. Now we just need to figure out where this goes. So, brought it out of there. Plan is go up a chassis leg all the way through and make it neat. Nice and neat. Right, so Philbo, how are we getting on?
Great. We're doing alright.
Doing alright.
We are doing alright.
So
We have all the fuel lines in.
Yeah.
We're just finishing the electrics, and then we are going to do a purge clean of the entire fuel system to get rid of any debris and rubbish and out of all the new pumps, and then maybe if Matthew does his wiring correctly at the battery, he might start.
hopefully.
If it doesn't, I'm going home.
Yeah, I think we both are. So anyway, that's him gone in the boot forever. Bye. Yeah, so we're going to put the Odyssey battery back here and basically pull all the wiring through that was back there. He's got a nice shiny fuse box that I don't know if he wants to show us right now. He might not.
It's really nice.
Where's your other nice bit of wiring you did?
It's here, getting bolted in.
Let's see. Let's see if we can.
I don't know if you can see it or not.
Bits.
Fuel pump lives, fuel pump triggers.
Yeah.
Fuel pump stuff.
Fuel pump things. Beautiful. We're getting there. We're getting there slowly.
No, you're flying.
Yeah, yes, we're flying. Well, he's flying. He is literally off the floor. God, Superman! Right, so we managed to finish it. It's quite late. It's about 2, half 2. But we're now put this up to a battery, pumping it in. Currently going into the tank. Everybody's happy. Yes, yes. Thank you very much, Philbo. Huh?
Not everyone's happy.
Check your noise.
Ready?
Check the connections, right? Is that in the whole time? Bloody hell. I now understand why they dump them in the food tank.
Yeah.
That is Do you like your new fuel pump, Matt?
Yes, it's going to be real fun driving it. Wow.
It's loud.
Yeah. So anyway, we managed to finish it. Yeah, everything's done. But now I don't want to drive it ever again.
Thanks for watching.
Put the camera in here.
I don't know if you can hear that, but it's loud as a unicorn.
Right, so as you can see, we finished the fuel system. Everything's done. We were here till about 2:30, 3ish. So we didn't bother taking the car home. We just left it here. So although we've tested it on idle, we haven't actually driven it yet. We do need to firewall it as well at some point. We're going to be doing that because although we made the lines out of PTFE and you can't smell the fuel inside, it's best to firewall really. So we're going to do that. Big thanks to Phil at XDR for coming down to help out. He was here for like 17 hours or something crazy working on it. So yeah, massive thanks to him. And he dropped me home, which was nice. So yeah, couldn't have got home or even slept without him. Yeah, I think that's about it really. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video, which is probably firewall it. Oh, one more thing to note. We put everything back together, wired it up, and the fuel sender was backwards. So yeah, when it's empty, it now shows fuel on the gauge. Full lot on the gauge even. Great. We'll sort that out. Bye.